Today, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty of a common issue that many dogs face as skin irritation in their paws. Before we talk about the causes and solutions, let's understand just how vital healthy paws are to our dogs. Their paws are more than just cute. They're their primary mode of exploration and interaction with the world, so when their paws are irritated, it can be incredibly uncomfortable for them. Allergies. Just like humans, dogs can have allergies to pollen, grass, certain cleaning products, or even their food can trigger allergic reactions that affect their paws. Foreign objects, small debris like thorns, splinters, or even tiny rocks can get lodged between the paw pads and cause discomfort. Dryness. Paw pads can get dry and cracked, especially in harsh weather conditions. This can lead to discomfort and even pain. Foot soak. A gentle foot soak in warm water can help clean their paws and provide relief. You can also add a bit of Epsom salt for added soothing. Moisturizing balms. Applying a dog-friendly moisturizing balm to their paw pads can help combat dryness and keep their paws soft. Persistent irritation. If your dog's paw irritation persists despite your efforts, it's time to consult a vet. It might indicate an underlying issue. Limping or discomfort. If your dog is limping or seems to be in pain, it's a clear sign that professional help is needed. Bleeding or infection. Any signs of bleeding, swelling, or infection should never be ignored. A vet's attention is a must. Taking care of our furry pals' paws isn't just a luxury. It's a responsibility we gladly take on by understanding the potential causes of paw irritation, providing them with home comfort, and knowing when to seek veterinary assistance. We can ensure their paws are as happy as their wagging tails.